Good morning, guys. Today I'm coming at you with a quick outfit of the day. I'm going to start with my earrings. I just have on some wooden circles that have beads on the bottom that I got from like a local beauty supply house. Um, I have on like a little leopard print headband. Y'all, I need a relaxer really bad. I don't know what I'm going to do just yet. For my bangles, I just have on a couple of gold bangles. I have on an antique. It's like a vintage gold type color with a black open in the middle. And that's it for accessories. Then I'll step back so you guys can see my outfit. And hopefully you guys can see. I just have on a leopard print cardigan. Not cardigan. What these things called, y'all? I'm having a mental block. A leopard print cami. That's what they are. That I got from Dots. Then I have on this black shirt that I've had for a couple of summers now, so I'm not sure where I got it from. And then I just paired it with some black slacks that I got from Ashley Stewart. And then my shoe, I just have on it's a little red shoe that goes between the toe, and it just has like a little thing in it. Let me see. And y'all, I have a really large foot, and it just has a little brown and white little stone in the middle that goes between the toes. And that's it. So, that completes my outfit of the day. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.